candle in the dark. You've been burned too many times, and at the hint of a spark, you turn yourself away from the light. Don't be afraid, my darling. The darkest of days are just before the dawn. 'Cause you have my heart, and always will. So take my hand, let go of the past, and hold on to